Hey guys, what's up? This is Shukesh and today I will show you how you can use this software called PassFab Android Unlocker to unlock any Android phone without the passcode. And if you have a Samsung device, then you can even remove Google FRP lock in minutes. So it sounds really amazing. I will show you how to use the software. Now it supports Android lock like pattern lock, pin, fingerprint or password lock, and as I just mentioned, it can remove Google FRP, that is factory reset protection lock, from your Samsung devices without the passcode. Now FRP provides a built-in security feature you are able to use that protects your device and information, including screen locks and data encryptions. This PassFab Android Unlocker can be very useful if you want to reset a locked Android device, and it works on 99% of Android devices from most of the popular brands. Now if you are a Mac user, then don't worry, there is also a Mac version of PassFab Android Unlocker. You can try this software free of cost before you pay anything. So when you do need this software, well, of course, when you forget the password and your Android phone is useless, with this you can remove the lock and make the phone usable again. There might be a couple of other scenarios like your screen is broken and you cannot unlock the phone. So if you dispose of the device, there can be a possibility of data leak. So using this software, you can reset the device, wipe clean any data you have. You might be selling off the device or donating. So with PassFab Android Unlocker, you can wipe clean data even if you don't have the passcode. So let me show you how to use this software. So this is the user interface of the software. For you key for Android, you get two options: remove screen lock and remove Google lock, that is FRP lock. So let's first try the remove screen lock option. What you need to do is just connect your device to the computer and make sure there is only one device that is connected to the computer, and once again this will wipe clean all the data on the phone. I have connected my Galaxy S9 Plus. It works on older devices like Galaxy S7 and also newer Samsung devices and also non-Samsung devices, that is on Android. So simply click start and it will guide you through the process. There is another warning about the data loss. So it has started and it's getting data from online about this removal process, and there you go. Here are the instructions you need to follow. First, you need to enter into recovery mode. Long press the power and the volume down buttons to power off the device. Then press and hold the volume up, home and the power buttons at the same time. There will be a Samsung logo that will appear on the screen. Then when the screen displays installing system update or no command, the device will enter into recovery mode automatically. When the interface shown here is displayed, it means that you have successfully entered into recovery mode. Once again, these instructions are for my Samsung device. If you have another device, then the instructions will be different. So the next step is to use the volume rocker to scroll down to wipe data or factory reset, and you can use the power button to select and confirm. Then select yes and click the power button to restart your device. Then by using the volume rocker, select wipe cache partition and click yes to confirm using the power key. Then select the option reboot system now and click the power button to confirm. So there you go, the system password on the device has been removed, and this is how you can factory reset and also remove any type of screen lock on your Android device. Next option is to remove Google lock, that is FRP, and the procedure is actually very simple. Just connect your device, and it works on Samsung devices only, and you need to connect the device to Wi-Fi, and also it doesn't incur any kind of data loss. So simply click here to start the process. So if you need the software, definitely try it out. The download link is in the description. You can buy the software at a discounted price of $30 a month or $40 for a year, but I would suggest for the lifetime license at $50.
That's all in this video. Thanks a lot guys for watching.